If you're looking to automate posting of your YouTube videos on your Facebook page, then you're at the right place. Hey guys, my name is Saurabh and this channel is all about AI automations where I make different videos around automations that is going to help you in your business. So how we are going to automate this process of posting the YouTube video on our Facebook page. So for that we'll be using a tool called make.com. That's a free tool. The link to that will be in the description down below, and within that tool we'll be creating a scenario. So this is the scenario which we are going to create, and how this is going to run is it is going to pick up the YouTube video from your channel and it is going to make a post on your Facebook page. Now let's build this scenario together and I'll give you the step-by-step instructions. So once you log into your make account, you need to come into something called scenarios, and in scenarios you need to click on create a new scenario, and here you can add different applications and connect different applications together. So for our purpose we'll be using YouTube application, and you will see these different options for YouTube. So what we will be doing is watch videos in a channel. So we'll select that, and here you need to select your YouTube channel. I already have my YouTube channel connected. If you want to connect it, you can click on add, and from here you can connect your YouTube channel to make. And the channel ID, since this is going to be your channel or it's my channel, then I just put me, don't put anything, and I just click on OK. And here you will see from where you will start, so you can either choose manually and it will give you the list of all the videos. So for example, I want to make a post about this particular video, so I'll select this one, and then what I'll do, I'll set a variable here. So what that will do is I'll go into a tools module, click on set a variable, and that variable is going to be uh, video URL. So I'll go into my channel and I'll put the URL of that video here. So I go into my make studio and I go into my content, and I wanted to use this video, then I'll copy the URL of this particular video and then I put it over here. And what I'll do is, since I'm creating this as a variable, so that I don't have to put the URL again and again, so I'll remove this last bit from here. This is the video ID, so I remove it and I chose this one, the video ID which is coming from my previous module. Okay, and then I add a Facebook page module, and I need to make a create a post, and here I need to just connect my Facebook account. Again, if your account is not connected, you can click on add and your account can be created. I selected my page, and the message which I want to pass on is going to be the title which I'm getting from the YouTube module, and then I click on link, and this is going to be the video URL. So now this is set up. Let's run it. So I'll select, right click on it and click on choose where to start. I'll select choose manually, and let's say since we have added tools a variable module, so I can pick any video and then I click on run once. So you can see this has run and this is also run, and now it is posting on the Facebook page. So you see this number 1, so that means this particular module has been run, and you see this 2, so it has run twice and it has posted. So now let's go into my Facebook page and see the post. Let me just refresh it. See, I've got these 2 videos here, operations and routers, and from here, and then I can schedule this to post automatically. I can schedule this to run at different intervals. So depending on your use case, your workflow, you can set this up. So guys, I hope you got some value out of this video. If you have any questions about this build, then let me know in the comments down below. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in the next video.